a good benefit with them. Like he eats them for a reason as well. Like for example, dates. They save you from poison if you eat 7 in the morning. And yeah.
This is all the food that the Prophet used to eat, and this was some of his favorite food. So like over here, we have ajwa dates, and there's a hadith that ajwa comes from paradise and is the cure for poison. And there's also honey there, and honey cures diseases. And cucumbers, grapes, mushrooms, melon. Assalamu alaikum.
Next place for one we're here on this special day. Our hearts are full of pleasure.
You pronounce between halal and haram foods, and whichever is haram we cannot consume, whereas the halal foods we can. And with the halal foods, there's a special ritual which you have to take before eating it, and you have to cut the food with the name of God.
What I'm holding here is a food that Prophet Muhammad used to eat, and it was narrated by Abdullah bin Jafar. I saw the Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala eating a cucumber every day.
Did you know that water is one of the best forms of charity to give someone? And in the Quran it is mentioned that everything is made out of water.
In Surah Tahrim, Allah mentions the importance of honey, and also in an authentic hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrates that honey is a cure for over 70 diseases and it's something everyone must take.
The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that vinegar is a blessed condiment, meaning that he mixed it with other foods.
The dates are which the Prophet used to eat every day, and he said that whoever eats 7 ajwa every morning will not be affected by poison or magic on the day he eats them. And we also use dates to break our fast because the Prophet broke his fast with dates.
Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
What do we use dates
And
for?
we have honey there.
When when we break fast.
For 70 days.
Yeah.
Rasulullah said
You
that.
guys break your fast with
And we have teen and zaytun. It's mentioned in
No harmful substances, but rather are made up of water and nutrition. Thank you.
That was such a scientific definition.